Okay, guys, some people are a little bit confused. When you go to my website, jmuldoon.weebly.com, this is our class code. Okay, this is the grade 9 and 10 locally developed science online. You're going to click on this tab. Okay, this is your information. So this is for week 1. I'd like you to watch this video. And then I would like you to open up the lesson book and use the lesson book to complete the workbook. Follow the steps here. Please read these steps. Okay. And then when you're done the workbook, I want you to go into Edsby. Oops. Go into Edsby in your folder, and in the week 1 folder, I'd like you to click on it and then click upload. And I want you to name your document your name and save it in there. Okay, I hope this helps.